Hello guys, and welcome back to another Cir Monopoly video. Today I'm going to be playing Teardown. Today I'm going to be doing the Mrbeast map. It's called Cars versus Mrbeast. And let me just get to it here. Alright, basically the plot is we're trying to get Mrbeast. Sorry, Mrbeast. But basically just we have a ton of cars and pretty much what it sounds like. There's also a bunch of bombs on the ground for some reason. I have no idea why. Alright, as you can see here, we are loaded in. Let me just make sure my graphics are full. Yep, they are. Let's start with the, yeah, this probably won't even work. Alright. Oh no. Yeah, I was right, it doesn't work. Well, stupid. If you haven't heard of Teardown, basically it's just a game on Steam where, like, you break stuff. So it's pretty fun, you know. Yeah. Dang it. Oh. Yeah, those are those bombs I was talking about. Oh well. And the bad thing is, every time we gotta go all the way back over here. And I didn't even hit Mrbeast. Actually, I did. I don't know why I said that. But let's do a little more damage. Let's go with this thing, and not just a little tractor. Let's even make it to Mrbeast? Oh yeah, it will. Oh, dang. Oh no, oh my gosh. We are absolutely destroying Mrbeast right now, guys. Oh my god. Okay. Let's keep going. Oh no, that's just that's not good. We're still alive. Oh, now we're not. Haha, but we can still keep going. Alright, now we're hung up. Well, look at how much damage we did to Mrbeast. In just that one vehicle. Mrbeast, you do not stand a chance. Alright, back to this. We're doing this thing. We're gonna use this as a javelin. Alright. Well, that worked out great. Yeah, we're fine. Kind of. Alright. Attempt number 2. Gotta get some speed here. And, come on! Oh, yeah. Oh, no! Oh, that's not good. How is that even possible? I do not understand. It's just broken. It won't move. This is a physics gun, by the way. It's super powerful. Oh well. Oh, wait, it doesn't exist? I can just go right through it. Oh, well, that's a little strange. Oops. Alright. Let's get something a little bigger with this cement truck. Alright. And floor it. Uh-oh. Well, that was not exactly ideal. But wow, we've done so much damage to Mrbeast already. I'm gonna go for his face this time. I wonder if we can even hit his face or his head. Let's see. Nope. Oh, come on. Dang it. Let's try and chuck this towards Mrbeast. Oh, oops. Nope. They explode as soon as I touch them. That's kind of annoying. There we go. I think I blew out one of his legs. Oh my gosh. Chain reaction. Let's talk about that. Oh shoot. Oh, that right in his arm. Oh, look at his arm. Oh, it just blew up. Oh, that's crazy. Oh, I just cut his leg. Let's see, how's he even standing up? Like, that looks pretty painful, Mrbeast. Oh my gosh, he only has one arm and he doesn't even have a chest anymore. Abdomen. Alright, come on. I'm going for the other arm. I'm going for the other... Oh, come on, man. That's not good. Did it fall through? Oh, no, it didn't. It made a giant hole, but it didn't. Is this still drivable? Oh, no. Oh, shoot. Get out. Can I die? Bro, I'm like... I can't die to these. So just shoot them. I wonder where they got their gun sound effects from. Why do I never have to reload? Bam. What's happening? Yes, there goes the megaphone. And it just disintegrated. How far away can I even hit one of those? Alright, anyways, guys. Back to destroying Mrbeast. Aw, oh, dang it. Get out of here. It's kind of fun to like randomly shoot stuff. You know, Teardown is so cool because I've had a lot of fun with just this map, and there's hundreds if not thousands of Teardown maps. And this is probably one of the more bare ones. I mean, it gives you an objective, but like, oh jeez, try to lowball that one, and oh, that's not good. Yeah, we can still drive somehow. We're flying. This is very glitchy. What the? Okay. I don't know, guys. We need something like really big and really powerful. I think I found my target. This thing looks pretty nice. But we can't just take this. We have to carry something. And I think... Alright, let's try and... Oh, jeez. Let's attempt to get this van. So I'm gonna rig up the support legs, I guess as they're called. And I'm gonna get in the cab here. Alright. Lift it up a little bit. Extend. Hook. So now, there we go. Now that I've hooked it, I can undo the support legs. And I can drive. I should probably lift it up a little more. Raise, lower. There we go. Oh, that's about to break. Well, this might not go as planned, guys, but can't say we didn't try. Oh, dang. Wow, Mrbeast is like really like stiff at that part. Just couldn't break through him. Oh jeez. Somehow I'm still... Nope, not really. Well, the van isn't... Can't really drive the van. I'm a little disappointed. I thought that would do more. That's alright, anyways. What the... Oh, that's a machine gun, nice. What the... Yo, what? I can control this, and I can shoot Mrbeast. I don't know really how to turn, but... That's so cool, my guy. I'm gonna go right up here and I'm gonna shoot his leg. Oh, it's lagging a bit. It's lagging too much. Oh, I'm just gonna floor it into him. Oh, jeez. Oh, it's actually fine. How's it? Oh. Nice. Alright, now time to go back to Mrbeast. This thing is like perfect condition. Somehow. Alright, I'm attacking this leg. Oh, shoot. Oh, no! I'm dead. Yo, what? How far back does this go? I must see. I must see how many layers back. Yeah, I cannot believe it's still going back. What? Actually, though, this is insane. 2 more, and then it's the edge, and I can't do anything. Nice, that's crazy. Oh my gosh. No, I can't do anything. Oh my gosh. Look how many layers there are. Alright, finally. Oh look, it's a TV. Let's go check it out. What does it say? It says Sun in Mind, Sunny Max Solarium. Like the real deal. Almost. Kinda looks like a coffin. Oh. Excited for the holidays? So are we. Get in the spirit at Evertides Mall. Speed, excitement, fun. Grand opening. Room. Treat yourselves. Visit Wonder. I don't. Oh, I'm a horrible person. Why do I still hear music? Oh, on this side. You have 20 seconds to receive 10% off your new Quilez Model 245. Is that like a Terminator robot? Black River Classic Car Auction. This Wednesday, call... Actually, guys, call 555-188-2789. Decent food, decent prices. That is growing deafening. That smoke there. It's gonna burn out the other one. No, don't burn out the other screen. Uh-oh. Oh, it's still there. Expensive knives. Alright, you know what? Let's just go big or go home, right? Right for his leg. Oh, yes. You cannot survive, Mrbeast. Huh. Doom. Chains. Titanium gauntlets. Do you know what these do? No? They just bring stuff to you. Like, if I say, hey, get over here. Yeah, they just... And they do that, too. Oops. Why did I... Okay. Never mind that. Let's go for his leg again. And there's... The titanium gauntlets are back there, I think. They just fall off when you stop using them. Oh. Oh, let's go. No, Mrbeast, Mrbeast. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh, I got you, Mrbeast. I got you, Mrbeast. It's alright. Oh, shoot. That's not a good thing, guys. My computer is dying right now. Oh, no, it's Mrbeast. Ah. How did he just disintegrate like that? How does that even happen? Well, guess this is it, but I'll see you guys, in the next Cir Monopoly. Until then, see ya.